Namaste from Sarva. Welcome to today's yoga session. This is Basavaraj, yoga therapist from Sarva. Today we will be learning and practicing the specific yogic practices to enhance the functioning of our pineal gland. Pineal gland is a P-shaped gland which is situated in the brain. Its function is to regulate and maintain the secretion of hormones, especially the melatonin hormone. Melatonin hormone is the hormone which helps to regulate the sleep patterns or our biological rhythms, or what we call as circadian rhythms. With a little bit of this much of information, we are going to practice the asanas which helps to enhance or to improve the functioning of our pineal gland. Okay, let's get started. Sit straight. Both hands in Chin Mudra. Gently close your eyes. Try to sit as straight as possible. Keep your shoulders relaxed, facial muscles free, full awareness on the movement of the breath. You are observing your breathing patterns. Now, consciously, 3 deep breathings we are going to have, just to have our awareness completely here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Both hands in Chin Mudra for your knee joints for 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Yes. Now, before going for the actual practices or specific practices for enhancement of our pineal gland, we need to have a little bit of stretches or the warm-up to avoid the cramps or the spasms of the body. Yes, first we'll have a little bit 2 or 3 stretches so that you will get the warm-up for the body. Yes, for that one, keep your legs uncrossed, one in front of the other. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling, join the palms at the top, get full upward stretch, look up. Exhale by the sides. 4 more rounds, the same. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale. Try to synchronize the breath with the movement of the parts of the body. Inhale. Exhale. Now we are going to have a forward bending. Inhale. See how I have kept the legs. Try to place the legs in this way, one in front of the other. Yes. Inhale, lateral lift the hands up. Exhaling, bend forward halfway, halfway, halfway. Yes. Expand the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forearms or the palms, whichever you are comfortable in. expand the chest, have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up, expand the chest. Exhale, still lengthen your spine, forehead towards the ground or to the ground. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale by the sides. 2 more rounds, the same stretch. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward from the lumbar by keeping the chest completely expanded. Look forward, 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, forearms on the ground. Expand the chest. 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, head up. Exhale, forehead on the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands by the sides. Very good. Now keep your legs crossed. We are going to have one twisting. Yes, inhale, expand the chest and place the palm over the right knee joint. Exhale, twist towards right. For every exhale, try to twist more and more. Stay here for 5 deep breathings. For every exhale, twist more and more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front. Then exhaling other side. For that one, keep your right palm over the left knee joint. Left palm behind the lumbar on the ground. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhaling other side. Twist fully for every exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front and relax. The last movement for the spine, that is lateral movement. Inhale, lift the left hand laterally up. Exhale towards right laterally, not to lean forward. For that one, you may take your left chest as back as possible. Left hand over the head. Look towards the ceiling. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale towards left. Right chest back, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, right hand down and relax. Now we have given some stretches for the body just to avoid the cramps or the spasms of the body. Yes, now we are going to do the specific asanas for enhancement of the pineal gland. For that one, first keep your legs stretched forward. From here we are going to start the asanas. First asana is Swastikasana. For that one, at the time of exhalation, you need to bend the left leg at the knee joint, taking the left foot and keeping by touching the right thigh inwards. See, exhale and keep the left foot by touching the right thigh. Then inhale there itself. Then exhaling, taking the right foot, keeping between the thigh and the calf muscle. Okay, this should be little up. This is exhale. Okay, like this, it should go little in between. Trying to take both knee joints towards the ground. Expand the chest, both hands in Chin Mudra. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly open your eyes. Now inhaling, take your right leg forward. Exhale there itself. Then inhaling, stretch the other leg forward. This is the way how we need to go for Swastikasana. Now we are going for Vajrasana. Exhale. Take both the legs backwards from the right. Sit over the heels. Like this. You may place your palms over your thighs. Look front. Once roll your shoulders back to keep your chest expand. Gaze at one static point. Have 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now next asana, Supta Vajrasana. Inhale. Laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Keep your palms fully facing forward. Trying to get full stress till lumbar. Then while exhaling, we are bending forward by sucking the belly completely inside. Bend from the lumbar, not from the thoracic. Yes. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, bend forward, forward, forward. Place the palms wherever they lie. Then inhale, head up, expand the chest. Exhaling, keep sliding your palms forward. Suck the belly inside. Go forward, lengthen your spine. Armpits try to completely open. Then forehead on the ground. 5 deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale all the way, come up. Exhale by the sides. Supta Vajrasana is over. Now we are going to practice Simhasana or lion's pose. For that one, keep your palms by the sides of the knee joints on the ground. Okay. The procedure is we need to inhale through the nostrils. Exhalation should be through the mouth. While exhaling, we need to open the mouth, completely widen the mouth, protruding the tongue or taking the tongue outwards, completely outwards and towards the ground. And need to exhale, just not to remove the or taking the tongue outwards. We need to exhale after keeping the tongue outwards. And eyesight should be between the eyebrows. See, I am going to demonstrate once. Please observe. Try to do as long as possible, means duration of exhalation try to increase gradually. Okay, 1 round I did, like that 4 more rounds we are going to. Two rounds over, third round. Fourth one. Last one. Yes, relax please. Now we have done Simhasana. Inhaling, stretching the legs forward from the right. Inhale. Shake your legs and slowly please stand up. Keep your feet together, palms to the thighs. Feet should be together such that big toe should be together. Heels also should be together. Palms to the thighs. Keep pulling your fingers towards the ground. Keep your chest expanded. Once you may roll your shoulders back to keep chest expand. Chin should be parallel to the ground. Gaze at one static point. Okay. 5 deep breathings in this position. Tadasana, just Tadasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we are going for next asana, Tadasana 1. For that one, with inhalation, take your right foot towards right side, 1 foot distance. After that, exhale there itself. Then inhale, lift both the hands laterally up, join the palms at the top. Join the palms, get full upward stretch. Exhaling, hands by the sides. Need to synchronize the movement of the breath as well as movement of the parts of the body. Okay, then only you can get the results of the asana or the pranayamas. Very good. Okay, now 4 more rounds we are going to practice. Inhale, exhale. Third one, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last one, inhale, exhale. Now Tadasana 2 we are going to practice. For that one, keep your legs apart only. Inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Exhale, bend forward from the lumbar, trying to keep the trunk as parallel as possible to the ground. Armpits completely open. Look forward, 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale by the sides. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale by the sides. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, exhale. 5 breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale by the side. The last one. Inhale, exhale, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale by the side. Relax for a while. Yes. Now we are going to practice Kati Parivarta. Keep your palms over your waist region. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhaling, twisting the whole trunk towards right and looking also right back. Okay. Inhale. And throughout the whole asana, you need to keep your feet facing front and firmly on the ground. Do not turn your feet how your trunk moves towards one side. Okay. Ensure that your feet are firmly on the ground. Yes. Inhale. exhale, 1, 2, deep breathings, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front, exhale there itself. Other side we are going to inhale, exhale, try to twist more and more for every exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front and relax. Be in the same posture. We are going to do one more asana, Parivarta Bhangi. For that one, inhale, laterally lift both the hands towards the ceiling. Interlock your fingers, turn the palms out, simultaneously gaze towards the back of the palms. Now exhale, twisting the trunk towards right, simultaneously gaze at the back of the palms. Ensure that your feet are facing front and firmly on the ground. Twist fully for every exhale towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front. Exhaling other side. 5 more deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, turn front. Unlock your fingers. Exhaling down. Relax, please. Inhale, expand the chest. Exhale, join the right leg with the left leg. Super. Now please be seated. Now for today, we have done the asanas for enhancement of the pineal gland. Now we are going to practice the pranayama for today's session. Sit in any meditative posture. Now we are sitting in cross-leg position, both hands in Chin Mudra. Just keep observing your breathing patterns for a minute, just to relax your body. Before going for pranayama, our breathing rate should be in a normal condition. While practicing pranayamas also, we should not make any hurry. Yes. Now we are going to practice pranayama called Ujjayi Pranayama. Both hands in Chin Mudra. The procedure for this one is, while inhaling and exhaling, we need to constrict the throat region and get the hissing sound at the back of the throat. Or if that is also not possible, try to feel some irritation or some itching at the throat region. Okay, this is the procedure. One more thing about this Ujjayi Pranayama is, consciously we will be breathing and constricting the throat region. It doesn't mean that breathing will not be happening through the nostrils. Unconsciously, breathing will be happening through the nostrils. Okay. Now I am going to demonstrate. Please observe. One round I did. See, one inhale and one exhale becomes one round. Like that, we need to practice up to 10 rounds. While practicing, you may get little bit of cough because of if there is any stagnation of phlegm in the track of your passage of the breath, then automatically what happens, there are chances of getting cough also. Still second level, you may get little phlegm in the mouth also. If your digestion is weak or if you are having a already cold or cough, so there are chances of getting cough. Second level, the phlegm in the mouth also. No need to worry if you are getting cough or the phlegm. Okay, now one more time I am going to demonstrate. Please observe and listen the sound of the hissing. Okay. 2 rounds I did. Like that, 8 more I am going to demonstrate. Please practice along with me. Five completed, 5 more. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. Slowly open your eyes. We have done 10 rounds of Ujjayi Pranayama. Like this, you may gradually increase the number of breathings up to 21. Every day, ideally, one should practice 21 rounds. Okay. Now, we will go for relaxation called Shavasana for 2 minutes. A short relaxation. Lie down on your mat. Palms by the sides of the body. Keep your whole body in a relaxed state. All the muscles of the body should be in a relaxed condition. Full awareness on the movement of the breath. Now keep your right palm over the abdominals, left palm over the chest region, elbows on the mat. Keep observing your abdominal movements, just to observe, not to get control over the movements for a completely 1 minute. Now, keep your palms by the sides of the body, feet together, hands over the head on the ground one by one. Interlock your fingers, turn the palms out, get full stretch from toes to fingers. Then turn to one side. Please be seated by pressing the left palm to the ground in front of the chest. Keep your eyes shut only. Now we are going to rub the palms to get some heat between the palms. Rub forcefully, still forcefully rub and get some heat between the palms. Then after getting the warmness, gently apply to your eyes, cheeks and the whole face. Now by looking at your palms, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining the session. Namaste.